somewhere near that red sign.
You got it?
I am endeavoring to do so. I see something. Maybe just a shadow.
I don't see it.
I think that shadow that it's casting, maybe it looked like a manatee.
What's that? Well, that's why we're going slow. We're going to see if we can see them in here. Because if they're here, they're going to be in this channel. Just because of how this is the only deep area of this whole bay. So if they're here, they're going to be right in this channel.
They like deeper water?
What's that?
They like deeper water?
It doesn't really have to be deep, but they just have to fit in it. They can't fit over here.
Oh, okay.
We just kind of scoot to the side there. You can't see anything straight through. We just got to have this area cleared up. That's all. That's okay. That's all right.
It's like almost impossible to like follow anything once you're zoomed in. It's a feature of your camera, not something you did.
Get it.
I think over here. You didn't see it? It's right there. Oh no, it's a manatee. Yeah.
I can't see it right now.
He doesn't. He's pretty shy.
Did you see? Did you see?
Got it?
Pretty sure, yeah. Is it right in between the two markers? Well, that sign and that red marker?
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. I think I got him at least one of the times he surfaced. Pretty sure. Yes, very hard. Only get a moment. Very hard.
That white bird right here to the right, that was a white ibis. Got a long orange beak. You know what? I'm not even sure. I know that Snowbill's the only bird down here that's pink, and the only one that's actually got a rounded out nose. Folks, we make our way back. Does anybody have any questions we can answer for you? They can get around here, they can do about 7 feet, 450 pounds. You have a question? For a full-grown dolphin. What's that? Have a nice boat? All right.
Have you ever reached a manatee?
What's that?
You ever reached a manatee? Something that big? Yeah.
Ever hit them?
Yeah.
Last time I hit one time in an airboat, but not this boat. Yeah.
They're quite big, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a narrow channel.
Well, with an airboat, there's no propeller, so it's really harmless to the manatee. So, I mean, all I did was just go right on top of it. That was pretty much it. Just kind of.
And that's how it moves over the...
Yep.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah, it's actually a lot more environmentally friendly and less hazardous than one of these boats. So they're
But what kind of ideas do you have
454 big block ship.
when it's got like excuses?
Oh yeah, well everything does. But just speaking on a environmentally health conscious way, so to speak, that the airboats are better. Yeah. The only problem with an airboat is that there's no stop and there's no reverse. There's just nothing but forward. That's the only difference with them. It's stop. All you gotta do is let your foot off the gas and just hope you don't hit something. There's a problem.
Okay, so there is no brake.
There's
It's stop, but
no brake. No. All there is the gas pedal.
iba prideli pedál na tých púskových lodiach. No vlastne tá loď sa pohybuje
Over
tak.
here on our left is our great white eager. Also, great white eager is a symbol of the National Audubon Society. Those birds were almost come to extinction in the early 1900s with their feathers. They use those feathers on baby cats.
The tide's coming in.
So their population is decimated to about 80.
Yeah, how much is the
It
time?
kills about 80% of the birds that are in the park.
About 5 feet.
They go to their rookeries where they're nesting and slaughter them all.
So now it's low.
Since the
It's low right now, yeah, but it's coming up
Conservationist
slowly.
International Audubon Society, they're no longer hunted or totally protected.
You can see where the...
Only about 10 to 20% of the former
You'll
population.
see it better on the rocks when we pull up here. You'll see exactly how high it goes.
So it was like 3 feet
We're lucky. See, we're lucky if we're at 3 feet right now. Probably only at this level. Pretty much. Yeah.
You know,
It's muddy. It's muddy. There are some rocks down here. Now, where the manatees were, those are a bunch of grass flats. So it's not a vegetation. That's why they're there.
The manatees are endangered.
Yes, they are. They estimate there's about 5,000 left. I know that there are manatees elsewhere in the world. I'm just not sure where, but
where
as far as I
you know, they're gone and all that.
The problem is too is that they can only survive in water lower than 68 degrees. If it's below 68, they'll go hypothermia and not survive. That is wrong. They're in freshwater. There's crocodiles or in saltwater. Now the Florida Keys is the only place in the world where the saltwater crocodile and the freshwater alligator